Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you how to solve linear equation quickly. Equations like x plus 1 equals 0, 10x equals 25, and 2x minus 1, minus x plus 3, equals 10 are common in mathematics, and some of you may be familiar with them, while others may be seeing them for the first time. But I'm sure practically everyone experiences them in school. So, in this video, you will learn a practical and simple approach of solving such equations, and by the end, you will have a good skill of solving them efficiently. Linear equations have only one variable. It is usually represented by the letter x, and this variable is raised to the power of 1 or first degree. Examples are x plus 1 equals 0, 10x equals 25. 2x minus 1, minus x plus 3, equals 10. You can see that each of the equation have single variable, that is x. The goal of solving a linear equation is to find the value of the variable x that makes the equation true. You must carry out operations on both sides of the equation in order to isolate the variable and solve the equations. Let's go through the steps one by one. Step 1. Combine like terms on either side of the equation. We do this if the variable and constants appear in the equation more than one times, like in 2x minus 3, plus 1 minus x, equals 10. Step 2. Isolate the variable to one side of the equation. To solve a linear equation, you need to place the variable on one side and a constant on the other side. Step 3. If the variable has a coefficient, multiply both sides of the equation by the inverse of that coefficient to isolate the variable. This is done by performing inverse operations on both sides of the equation until you have only one variable on one side and a constant on the other side. To see if the value we obtained is correct, check it by plugging the value of the variable back into the original equation and verifying that both sides of the equation are equal. Exercise 1. Find the value of x for the equation. 2x plus 3 equals 7. To solve this equation, first you need to isolate the variable x on the left side of the equation. We add minus 3 on both sides of the equation. 2x plus 3 plus minus 3, equals 7 plus, minus 3. We get 2x plus 0 equals 4. 2x equals 4. Next, we multiply both sides of the equation by 1/2. 2x times 1/2 equals 4 times 1/2. 1/2 times 2x equals 4 times 1/2. After simplifying the terms we get x equals 2, or the value of x is equal to 2. Check your answer. We can check our answer by plugging it back into the original equation. 2x plus 3 equals 7. 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 equals 7. The value we got for x is correct. Exercise 2. Solve the equation. 2x plus 7 equals 15. Subtract 7 from both sides. 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals 15 minus 7. After the operation we get 2x equals 8. Then, isolate the variable. We do this by multiplying both sides by 1/2. 2x times 1/2 equals 8 times 1/2. And x equals 4. Check your answer. Plug the value of x, that is, 2, into the original equation. 2 times 4 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 15 equals 15. Like the previous one, the value we got for x is correct. Exercise 3. Solve the equation. 6x plus 5, minus 2x minus 3, equals 20. First, we simplify the expression in the brackets. 6x plus 5, 2x plus 3 equals 20. Next, we combine like terms on the left side. There are two groups of like terms. First group is 6x and minus 2x. And second group, 5 and 3. 6x minus 2x plus 8 equals 20. After rearranging and performing the operation we get 4x plus 8 equals 20. Next, isolate x on one side of the equation by subtracting 8 from both sides. 4x plus 8 minus 8 equals 20 minus 8. Simplifying the terms, we get 4x equals 12. Finally, we solve for x by multiplying both sides of the equation by 1/4. We get x equals 3 and check your answer. Plug the value of x, 3 into the original equation. 6 times 3 plus 5, minus 2 times 3 minus 3, equals 20. 23 minus 3 equals 20. 20 equals 20. The answer is correct. Exercise 4. Find the value of x for the equation. 2x minus 1 equals x plus 3, plus 10. Steps. Remove parenthesis from the term, x plus 3. Add the numbers, 3 plus 10 equals 13 on the right side. 2x minus 1 equals 13. You have to move 1 to the right side to do this. Add 1 to both sides. 2x minus 1 plus 1 equals x plus 13 plus 1. Simplify, 2x equals x plus 14. Move x to the left side. To do this, subtract x from both sides. 2x minus x equals x plus 14 minus x. 1x equals x plus minus x plus 14. Simplify, x equals 14. Thus, we confirm that the answer is correct. Remember, the 3 steps to solve linear equation are: Step 1. Combine like terms. Step 2. Place the variable on one side and a constant on the other side. Step 3. Perform inverse operation by multiplying the coefficient by its reciprocal. You can improve your skill by solve similar equations repeatedly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like us. If you are new to our channel, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button so that you will get similar videos we release in the future.